Welcome to Mitsubishi. Here we have a lightning blue Asx 66 plate, 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, 5-door privacy glass on the back. This car also comes with protection pack with rubber boot guard and metal sill guard. Massive amount of room in the boot. 60/40 rear folding seats. Loads of space in the back, as you can see. Armrest and cup holder in the middle. Electric windows on both back doors. Keyless entry. Lockable windows, central locking from the inside. Power folding mirrors. Again, electric windows. Auto stop start. As you can see, it's only done 6,712 miles. Cruise control. Steering mounted controls for Bluetooth, also voice activated Bluetooth mode. Auto headlights, auto wipers. Automatic air conditioning. Heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, reversing camera and touchscreen media with DAB digital radio. If you have any questions about this vehicle, I would like to take it for a test drive, get in touch with the guys down at Jennings and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have or get you out on a test drive to see if this is the vehicle for you.